Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see what are the identity operators in Python. The identity operators are used with the list and it is used to check whether the variables or the list are having same objects or not. So there are two operators to check this. First is operator, second is not operator. What is operator checks is that is returns the true value if both the variables are having same object, else is return false, and vice versa happens in is not. That is, if both variables are different, means both variables are having different object, then it returns true, else it returns false. So I'll explain you this in more detail with the help of a simple example. First we will take two variables with the normal values, that is x is 2 and y is also 2, and we will print x is y, that is I am using an is operator over here, and in second print statement I am using x is not y. So in this example we have taken two variables x and y and we are printing x is y and x is not y. Let us run the program. When we run the program, we are getting the values as true and false. Now what we will do, we will make list in this program. So creating list is very simple. Give any name to the list. I am giving it as list x, and to enter the elements in the list, take square bracket, and in between the square bracket you give single quotation marks and enter the element. It can be anything, that is string, so I'll enter a, then b. Similarly for second, I'll make it as list y, and in this list we will enter only numbers 2, 3, 2 and 3. Now we will change this also, this to list x, this to list x, this to list y, and this also to list y. Now we will run the program. When we run the program, we are getting the outputs as false and true because list x is not y, that is elements of list x is not present in list y or is not equal to list y, and list x is not list y. So I hope you have understood the video and understood these operators, how to use them. You can use it with another types of list. Make the list of strings, numericals, mixed characters, so you can understand it in more detail. I'll give you a tip that practice Python every day, so you can be better in Python, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. For any queries, please contact me in the comment box. I'll solve your query, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.